Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear ninth class. How are you? Dear students, today we will discuss about the complex number of exercise 2.6 from Punjab textbook board Bahawalpur. Dear ninth class, in our previous video we have discussed about the complex number, that the number which are written in the form of a plus b iota is known as the complex number, where a and b, these are the real values, and a is the real part and this is the imaginary part, and iota is equals to minus square root under root minus 1 square root, known as the iota. Dear students, question number 2 expressed into the form of a plus b iota, part number 3. The question is written minus into minus 3 plus 5 iota minus 4 plus 9 iota. First of all, we will remove the bracket and multiply the sign with sign. Minus minus plus 3 and minus plus minus 5 iota, and here we will get minus 4 minus plus minus 9 iota. We will combine the real part and the imaginary parts. 3 minus 4 minus 5 iota minus 9 iota. 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1, and this will be minus 14 iota. The question written in the form of complex number, this is the answer. Part number 4, 2 iota square plus 6 iota cube plus 3 iota 16 minus 6 iota 19 plus 4 iota 25. Dear student, first of all we will change these iota values into the form of the multiples of 2. This is written already in the form of iota square, and this will be written as iota square into iota, iota square into iota square raised to power 8, 8 to the 16. This will be iota square into 9 raised to power 9, 2 9s are 18 and 1 19, and this will becomes iota 2 means iota square raised to power 12, 12 to the 24, and 1 iota is 25. Now we will write the values of the iota square, which is equals to minus 1. We will put value of iota square where we have this 2 into minus 1 plus 6 into minus 1 iota minus plus 3 minus 1 raised to power 8 minus 6 iota minus 1 raised to power 9 plus 4 iota raised to minus 1 raised to power 12. My dear students, you know that the rule that if the exponent or the power is even, then we will write this in the form of positive value, and if the exponent is odd, then the answer will be written as it is. Okay, now we will put minus 2 minus 6 iota plus 3 because this is even plus 3 minus minus plus 6 iota minus, and this will becomes plus 4 iota. Minus 6 iota plus 6 iota will be cancelled with each other. 3 minus 2 is 1 and plus 4 iota. This is the answer. Question number 3, simplify and write your answer in the form of complex number. Now we have the multiplication between these two complex numbers. This is minus 7 plus 3 iota into minus 3 plus 2 iota. Dear student, first of all we will multiply these two complex number with the rule of multiplication, that minus 3 minus 7 minus 3 is equals to 21. Minus 7 multiply 2 iota, minus 7 to the 14 iota, minus minus plus minus plus minus 3 3 is a 9 iota minus plus 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 3 to the 6 iota square. And you know that the value of iota square is minus 1, so we will put here minus 1. Minus 14 and minus 9 is minus 23, and this is 21 as it is. Now we will write the real numbers, real values. 21 minus 6 and minus 23 iota. It will becomes 15 minus 23 iota, and this is the form of the complex number. Part number 4, 2 minus 3 iota into 3 minus 2 iota conjugate. This line, this bar is known as represent the value or the conjugate. So it means first of all we will take the conjugate of this complex number, and you know that in conjugate we will change the sign of the imaginary number, imaginary part. Minus 2 iota will becomes plus 2 iota. So we will write we will write 2 minus 3 iota into 3 plus 2 iota, and now we will multiply 2 3 is a 6, 2 2 is a 4 iota, minus plus minus 3 3 is a 9 iota, minus plus minus 3 to the 6 iota square, and iota square will be changed into minus 1. give the reference to minus 4 and minus 9 is equals to minus 13. So plus 4 minus plus 6 will becomes 10 minus 13 iota. Now question number 4 is simplify and write answer in the form of a plus b iota. Now the complex numbers are given in the form of the division. 9 minus 7 iota divided by 3 plus iota. Dear student, there is a rule to change the denominator, to remove the iota sign to the denominator, that we will multiply the fraction by the conjugate of the denominator value. The denominator complex number is 3 plus iota. Its conjugate is 3 minus iota. So we will multiply this fraction by 3 minus iota by 3 minus iota. And now we will multiply the numerator values. 9 3s are 27, 9 minus iota minus 9 iota minus 21 iota minus plus 7 iota square. And this is the form of formula a plus b, a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square, means 3 square minus iota square. Now we will combine 27 minus 7, put the value of iota square is equals to minus 1. Minus 9 and minus 21 is minus 30 iota. 3 square 9 minus plus. So it will becomes 27 minus 7 plus minus 30 iota 9 plus 1. So it will be 20 minus 30 iota by 10. So divide the both values with denominator 20 by 10 minus 30 by 10 iota, because this is the denominator of the both values. So we will write these values separate. Now 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 1s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So it will becomes 2 minus 3 iota. This is the complex number. Dear student, question number 6 is, if z is equals to 2 plus 3 iota and omega, this is omega not w, omega is equals to 5 minus 4 iota, then show that z minus omega whole conjugate equals to z conjugate minus omega conjugate. My dear student, first of all we will write the values of z. Z is 2 plus 3 iota, so its conjugate is 2 minus 3 iota, and omega is 5 minus 4 iota. It will becomes omega is equals to 5 plus 4 iota. Now we will write the equation z minus omega whole conjugate equals to z conjugate minus omega conjugate. Now we will put the values and we will write the conjugate to the left hand side. And dear students, when we will remove the bracket, then their sign will be changed. You know that the rule. And here also. So by combining these values, 2 minus 5 equals to minus 3, 3 iota plus 4 iota is 7 iota, which is equals to 2 minus 5 is minus 3, minus 3 iota minus 4 iota is minus 7 iota. Now we will remove this conjugate sign, means we will take the conjugate actually. So we will write minus 3 minus 7 iota equals to minus 3 minus 7 iota, and both values are equal, so we can say that we have proved. Hence we have proved. Okay. Now part number 6, 1 by 2 iota into z minus z conjugate is imaginary part of z. We will prove that. First of all we will write the value of z, which is given in the question, 2 plus 3 iota. So write z equals to 2 plus 3 iota. Z conjugate is 2 minus 3 iota. According to the question, 1 by 2 iota into z minus z conjugate. So if is equals to 1 by 2, write the values of z and z conjugate, which is 2 plus 3 iota minus 2 minus 3 iota. Remove the bracket, then 2 will be cancelled, and we have 1 by 2 iota into 6 iota. Iota will be cancelled with each other. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. This is 3, and you can see that in this complex number, 2 is the real part and 3 is the imaginary part. So we have proved that this is the imaginary part of the z. Hence we proved this. Now dear students, we will go for the last question of this exercise, which is solve for x and y. We have two complex numbers, product of two complex number, and here is as also the third complex number is written. So first we will multiply 2x plus 2y iota minus 3x iota minus 3y iota square, which is equal to 4 plus iota. Dear student, first of all we will write the real and the complex values separately. 2x minus iota square means minus 1, minus plus 3y. So it will becomes 2x plus 3y, and here we will take iota as common and write 2y minus 3x. this value will be written as it is. Now dear students, you can see that we have two complex numbers and then we will compare their real and imaginary part. In this equation, the real part is 2x plus 3y, which is equals to the real part of this one 4. And here we have imaginary part 2y minus 3x. It can be written as minus 3x plus 2y equals to 1. Iota is its imaginary part is 1. Now we will compare these two equations that you can observe. See that this is 2x and this is minus 3x. Now we will go for the elimination of any one value. So I have chosen that I will multiply this equation by 3 and then I will add this equation into the new equation into the equation number 2. So we will multiply this equation by 3 and we get 6x plus 9y equals to 12, and this is we will multiply this equation by 2. This 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now plus 6x minus 6x will be cancelled with each other. 9 plus 4 equals to 13. 2 plus 12 equals to 14. So from this we will find the value of y, which is 14 by 13. This is the value of y. For finding the value of x, we will put this value in any equation 1 or 2 as you wish. I have put the value of y 14 by 13 in equation 1, and now we have get this by multiplication we have the value 2x is equals to 2x plus 42 by 13 equals to 4, and when we will take the LCM, we have 52 minus 42 divided by 13, and the value of x is equals to 10 by 13 multiplied by 2. When 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and the value of x is equals to 5 by 13. My dear students, now we are going to solve the last part of this exercise. 3 into 2 iota, 3 minus 2 iota into x plus y iota, which is equals to 2 into x minus 2 y iota plus 2 iota minus 1. First of all, we will take the product of these two values like the previous one, and we get 3x minus 3y iota minus 2x iota minus 2y iota square, and we will multiply this bracket values with 2x minus 4y iota plus 2 iota minus y written as it is. Now my dear students, we will take the values of the real and the imaginary part separately here as it is, and then we will compare. From this we have the real part is 3x plus 2y, and from this side 2x minus 1. So we will take the values and write in the form of the proper form. 2x will be subtracted from 3x and we will get x plus 2y is equals to minus 1. This is our equation number 1. And when we will compare the imaginary part, we have minus 3y plus 2x equals to minus 4y minus plus 2. Okay, now we will write the x values and all the variable values to left hand side and constant to right hand side. This will become minus 2x minus 3y and minus plus 4y equals to 2. So 2x minus 2x and 4y minus 3y equals to plus y, which is equals to 2. Now we have two equations, x plus 2y equals to minus 1 and minus 2x plus y equals to 2. Dear students, now we will multiply equation number 1 by 2 and then add the new equation in equation 2. So if we will multiply this will become 2x plus 4y equals to minus 2. 2x plus 4y equals to minus 2, and then this equation is minus 2x plus y equals to 2. Now dear students, we will cancel these values and get the value of y. 4 plus 1 is 5y, minus 2 plus 2 will be cancelled, so 5y equals to 0, y is equals to 0. Now we will put the value of 0 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is x plus 2y equals to minus 1. So we will put the value of y 0 and we will get the value of x, which is also equals to 1. These are the values of x and y. My dear student, this is the end of your chapter number 2 of your 9th class. I hope so that you have the clear concept. If you have any problem, please discuss with me. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.